Yeah. Just follow me.
Ano ba to? Si Banayad, si Kikochi, si... XG. Naglilista na ako ah. Wait lang.
Okay. Then,
Hindi siya isilap pre.
oh, okay.
Pag-alpag. Oh man, cover requires. Pwede magta-timer ako. Lakihan ko pa. Grave verb.
Play to your person.
Ano pre? Nasa OBB, nasa OBB gift box OPB. Oh, hindi ko maalala eh. Ha? Paano streamer egg within a streamer egg? Hindi ko gets.
Why do magicians do so well at school? They're good because they're good in trick questions.
Nalista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Enlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server. Fun. Wait, can you
Akala ko mga bossing goy. 3 months? 3 months, 4 months? Parang kaedad nun yung lakas yung Tor server pre, di ba?
Can we play very personal? It's actually a boring game. That's a server where people get bored.
Kaya pasok lang lahat ng gustong sumali. Hanap lang ako ng mobs. Ano ko lang, i-ready ko lang para ano lang, sunod-sunod. Should be. Kala ko welcome back.
Slay!
Hailey. Later na pala. Later.
I don't sleep.
Kayo, lahat ng nandito pa sa stream mga pre.
You made this for 100 years, bro.
Lahat ng nanonood pa. Hina, wait lang ha. Nahulog pa nga. Oh. 10 to straight ah.
I'm more evil than you,
There's
Tony.
only one way. Sharing my last time.
Time to buy a corn.
Depende kung gaano kabilis aabutin ng ano natin. Kung gaano kabilis aabutin nitong tele-LGP. Pag medyo maaga tayo natapos dito, stops.
And where people can.
Darkness Helm. Vajra. Ano yun?
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. exist, and I love unicorn.
Right, hey.
What?
Let me see.
Funny. It's funny if you die, bro.
Kung gusto nyo sumali guys, tele-LGP.
Help me find the others. Hahaha. This is gonna be.
Saan ba nakikita yung scoring ng ano pre? Hadget Lords. On the living room pa.
Eh, ito, dalawa to eh.
You can open it, it's dark outside na.
Kita. Airplane.
Siya eh. Neutral, medium, human, search. Hanap lang pre ha. Tele lang guys. 2 minutes lalakyan ko ulit. 3 minutes lalakyan ko ulit. Para makakuha ng shadow, kailangan mo makakuha. Sayang streamer X,
There or else I'm gonna open doors.
maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog pre.
I'm already looking.
Oh, next clue natin, medium.
I'm back. I'm back.
Huwag nyo hanapin pre na.
Said the zombies will tell you at the nighttime if you're staying up.
Human, medium, neutral.
Daddy, watch me twerk and say something sassy though. Say something sassy.
Wait, I'm doing something. Okay, Premier League update. Good one. Level 82 pre.
Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? Why? Because she was a little horse.
Lang siguro tayo 4 rounds.
I dare you. I dare you to.
Should be over all the butterflies. Warper Aruna Fields. Punta tayo 7-Eleven mamaya. May kita nyo naman sa stream kung ano, kung pasok kayo sa square o hindi. Sasabihin ko din naman.
I'm gonna wait yours too. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, welcome to the stream, Pen. Ako naman, hindi ko naman kasi sure pa kung paanong path ng gagawin ng ng lakas RO ngayon dito sa to.
You know, Senko 325.
Banayad. Wait lang.
That's where I'm school.
Raffle ko na lang yung sa Guild Castles.
Okay.
Aruna Felts.
That's what I'm saying.
Tapos kahit saan doon piliin mo, tapos tele ka na. Medyo nalakihan ko na yung ano. Paputa ganun.
Did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your suite and then I was watching with Rina.
Pero wait lang ah. Magdo-double. Ay, hindi. Mail ko na lang.
I'm trying to bring. I'm just. Okay, this is gonna be fun, right? It's just explaining. So I'm getting scared.
Kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay, mga pre? Kamusta ang War of Imperium natin? Agit Lords pala.
I'm gonna make you headless, headless.
Pro LC, Nice Jewel,
Discuss.
ano pa ba pwede natin i-paraffle?
Here, enjoy.
Okay, titignan ko kung ano may mga paraffle. As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. Wait, you're playing Minecraft? Did you? They said that they.
Ulit, tapos next clue.
Easy.
Nakakatapad kasi wag pa ano, wag pa race nang wag pa race. Since yung lumang streamer egg nandun sa bagong streamer egg, tapos chance siya makuha, mas okay sana. Lahat ng Shadow Gears nandun na sa streamer egg na luma. Mob nung robot, nung ayun, naulaan niya ano. E_EA2S. Start na tayo. 2 winners.
For real. Okay.
Tapos sa mga nakatambay sa stream, may ano tayo dyan.
Can you join me?
Yan, Arrow Guild, Balfreya. LLGP sa Square Pre Tama ba? Wait lang. Bago baka 25. Ay hindi. Ano pala, 100 NLs Jewel pala, sorry. 100 NLs Jewel. Mamaya na pala next round pala yung 25 LC. I always wanted this and it's not a... Dito sa may KOE flag. Sa KOE flag, pre. Angry follower, pre.
What do you call the jump about this street? I'm being never mind.
Si Bullet yun, di ba?
It clapped your hands.
Okay. Welcome. Ikaw nanalo sa sa Top Fan Raffle. May 1 week VIP ka sa akin. Mamaya bigay ko. Nandun sa isang character ko eh. Full. Wait lamang. $50 Jewel.
Are you wearing a body
2 winners.
right now?
Siguro sufficient naman na yung laki ng monster. So element na lang siguro ang
I'm gonna do a basket real quick.
I got
oh, ayun oh. Season 1 Championship. Sureball, mahuhulaan nyo to. Mamaya, pagkatapos nito, ano tayo? Nabuksan ko.
Bro, they're trying to watch drama classes.
Yung sa LC, siguro,
I ever got.
ano, 20 LC each round. Very, very close na, pre. As in, talagang, pagpalagay mo mga 2 buwan, 3 buwan, September to November, tapos December yung war, hanggang Feb.
What?
So, 3 na lang. Si Aishi, si Tagum, siya si Triggerman. Padsel, pre. Ano, may delay.
Have you ever
Di na ata aabot. Kala face worm to, di ba? Boss Randolph, shout out sa'yo. Square mga pre. Pag gusto niyo sumali, punta lang kayo, Aru. Aruna Felts Guild Castle map.
over Jollibee? Let's go on the stairs. Bakit na to? Bakit na to?
Parang tagal nito, no? Lalo na pag unti naghahanap.
No, no offense, but not to doubt.
Ito medyo madali ito. Next round natin.
Then,
Ayan na, 3 clue na to.
this is my new friend, the Elixir Cabrera. Her name.
Pwede si Banayad pala, autoclave. Banayad, Redux. Si Namrepus, tsaka si Penny. Pa-claim ako, Namrepus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala, tayo pala umabot. Namrepus. Yan, sige. Sige pre, alisin na natin to si Maiden. Yan pre, anong map yan? So magbibigay ako ng clue after 3 minutes. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na ilaman. Tama? Pangalan yun, Kipi. Ayan, 4 na lang silang subs eh. Raffle ko isa subs, wait lang.
How dare you, Marketer?
Ayun! Nice. Uy, nagtele! Puta na! Ba't parang may mga laman yung itlog na ano? Next round, Frontera Field 8.
Oh! It's so saucy. Sabi mo ba?
Ayan. Pangay na kasi nila ko. G. Git na. 2 months na sub. Thank you. Pati kala Jojo, kay Kikuchi, kay Pogs. Pati kay Atlas din. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg. So, hopefully, makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And, ayan si Shiori. Welcome to the stream, pre. Puta na, hindi nakapin. Ayun, si Ato nga nanalo.
Why?
Ayan, dito ako sa ano, pre. Sa Aruna Felt Castle.
No, one thing. One year. Dragon Age of 14.
Aru Guild to ka na. Hindi ako pwede masyado magpwet dahil maaga pumapasok yung mga ano ko eh. Mga Junakis ko eh.
Girl, I mean,
Moonlit. 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 Civic.
no?
Kay Creoles. Yung Meet Your Makers. Tapos kay La Face Worm.
Life.
Yung
I mean, we call
pangalan ng guild nila. Yan ang clue natin. Wala din. O si ano na? Si Meijin tsaka si Dreamworks. Pero kasi noon yung setup yung mga level 5, level 4 weapons na pang third gen. Nasa dalawa yun.
Probably they want
Dalawa
to make
or ka-clone.
a new
So, ito
game.
plus tapos
Oh. O paano
ano
yan?
ba? Yung LC tapos yung mga pala
Right there. Ano? Shoot? Right there. When I said that I'm like in a I'm gonna turn you to an emo bro.
basta pag medyo malapit na kayo sa character ko, wag muna kayo mag-tele. LC. Tulubin na sa puno.
Ano ba?
Wala tayong supply. O sige, mamigay
Wala
tayo
pila.
ng SG.
Bata?
Pwede din, paraffle natin Loti. Paraffle tayo Loti. Pero mamaya siguro sa mga...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm evil. You're
Ay, salamat sa notify. Tomiyama. Ano? Raffle muna tayo ng top fan, mga pre. Tsaka ng subs.
Oh my gosh, I really don't know.
Ready kayo, tele-LG fish.
Ano sabi mo? Look at there.
Sel Aruna Felts. Warper Castle. Warper Dream Anymore. No. Grave Worm. Teka lang nilista ko lang. Ano else? Jewel pa to mga pre Hold on.
My brother is sleeping, and he never says anything. He just put his... Wait, who's Sia? Do you know him?
Punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others joined in accusing her of thinking she's above the law. More hate
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit
actions.
I'm in a different category. Like, it's different.
Ni Bullet. Hallucigenia. Hallucigenia. Goods.
Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of an...
Kasi Friday alam ko. Friday kasi uwi na kami.
Kwek-kwek ko.
October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off season ng
You. You found someone there in the thing? I thought, no, I saw someone there.
Grabe naman foods. So next year, sure ball port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun. Lako. Ika. Ayun. Atong, deal mo ako sa front. Yung Den BM. Padil ako.
Let's keep up real server.
Pagkapos tayo sa oras, ano na? Clue. Ang stream. Bali pagkatapos nito ng tele-LGP, guess the months. Last round. Sa mga kay Brew, paano to? Kay Brew, kay Bullet, pre, may ano kayo sa akin, may console. Grabe, nakita ko yung Pandemonyo, grabe yung costume na nakakill. I'm doing something.
He's busy. Okay, truth or